Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do Sidra P2P verification. So the first step you need to do is to open the Sidra app. So once you open, so this is my account. Once you log in into your account, you simply need to click on this icon. So once you click on this icon, the next page will be open, and here you can see verify identity now. Click on that option. So here you can see your KYC status just joined. So click on add KYC document here. Okay, so this is the first step. Here you can see you can select your passport ID, passport, driving license, others, and you need to select your country from here. And after that, you need to select your language, and then you need to add your front image and back image, and then you need to click on submit document. Once you done that, then you come on to the next step. So now I'm going to show you the next steps in my laptop. So okay, so this is the next step. Let me show you. On the next step, you need to add your ID number, your date of birth, your nationality, your expiry date, and your release date is the date when your ID number is issued. Okay. So once you complete, you come on to the next window. That is third one. That is in the English language. You need to provide your first name, last name, second name, third name, fourth name, and place of birth. So mostly we have two names like Adam Smith. Provide here Adam and Smith and place of birth. Once you complete that, then you need to come on to the next step, that is fourth step. Here you need to hold your ID beside face and ensure clear image, legible info, position face and document in frame like this. Then you need to front image with your face, back image with your face, back image of the ID card, and then you need to come on to the final step. No On this face you need to start face tracking, and the camera will be open and it will track your face. So this is the complete process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.